What's your name, sir?
Most people have no idea what they are watching when they watch released police body camera footage. That is why it is so dangerous, because if you don't know what you are watching, not knowing statutory laws, case law, policies, and procedures, you can't know why things are happening. It's like if you watch a football game and have no idea what the rules are and you make random judgments on what the players are doing. Well, in this video, we are going to test that premise. Hello, this is Jason Matthews. I'm a retired law enforcement officer, and I want you to watch this video and tell me what the officer or officers did wrong. So I will play this video, and when you see something you think is wrong, pause the video and comment down below. And then continue until you see something else, and then pause the video again and comment. And in my next released video, I will reveal what is wrong in this video. And I may respond to some of your comments. So subscribe and ring the notification bell to know when new videos are released. Okay, let's get started from the beginning.
What's your name, sir?
Mike.
Mike?
Yeah, Mike Johnson.
What's your middle initial?
No middle initial.
No middle initial? Date of birth?
8/16/91.
8/16/91. Know your social? No? You have a Florida driver's license?
No, I'm just getting out.
Okay, but have you ever been issued a driver's license, a Florida ID?
No.
Out of what state? You've never had an ID whatsoever?
Massachusetts.
Mass? What are you getting out for?
Huh?
What are you getting out for?
I'm getting out.
So you're just getting out?
Yeah.
Of what?
Prison.
All right.
Yeah.
For what?
Huh?
For what? You on probation?
No.
I'm going to find out one way or another. I'm just trying to give you the opportunity to tell me. What were you in for?
Robin.
Robbery? How long did you do?
4 years.
4 years? Where, out here or up there? Up there? Take that. What are you doing?
You gotta go.
Flag on his license. He's got a signal 0. He's taking off.
He's coming up to the intersection. He's going to be going west, or eastbound on the west. Alright, they told you to grab the intersection.
Right, we're pulling into the rooms to go parking lot. Stand by.
Turn it in on right. Dog coming. Everybody set up a timer. Yeah, we might not stop that green.
Bailing.
Tyson. Here's our signal 0.
Yeah, 221. You need to send us 200, maybe one over here.
He's got blood on him, watch out. Roll over on your side, man. He's not close with that. Hey, you got med en route? You got med en route? I can. Med? Yeah. I don't have a camera. I got my cell phone. Take pictures of him. You got med? Hey man, are you injured at all besides the taser? No? All right. Do me a favor, roll up on your side so you can breathe better, all right? If you need to move your feet in, that way you got more support. We have an ambulance coming to take a look at you, all right, since you've been exposed to the taser. Do you have any other injuries?
Let's give him a call.
All right. Yeah.
Okay, now that you've watched that video, go watch the original video that I linked down in the description box for further information about this incident before you watch the follow-up video that I will release. See you in the next video. Take care and have a great day.